What's up everybody, my name is Etho, and today we'll be covering the changelog for Aperture... Stop. This is the 13th take, man. Why can't I speak English today? Whatever, let's do it again. Just like all mods in this update, Aperture's mod options have been moved to McLib's configuration menu. By clicking Ctrl+0, you'll access it. A new feature added in this update is Modifier envelopes. Inside of modifiers, you can determine the starting and end points of the action and the duration of the fade in and fade out. Furthermore, interpolations are also supported. Aperture's flight mode has been enhanced with new tools to help you position your camera exactly as you'd like. If you drag your mouse with left click, you can freely move where the camera faces. Holding right click will enable rotation. And holding down middle click will increase and decrease the FOV. If you'd like to change the keybinds in flight mode, simply go into the mod's configuration menu and you'll find it right under flight mode. Crosshair editor option has been added into Aperture. To activate it, head into camera options and you'll find it down the list. Turning this on will enable the crosshair, I guess? Yeah, it's pretty self-explanatory. A new fixture added into Aperture is the manual fixture. It's going to be really nice for old school machinima creators who use a lot of Optifine zooming. When recording, the manual fixture records all your actions as you move in first person. It records the frame data at current frame rate, so if you run it with 10 FPS and switch to 130 FPS, the frames will still be the same. To fix this issue, McHorse suggests to use a drag modifier with all aspects enabled with a linear factor of about 0.05. Furthermore, there's a known problem with manual fixture where it kicks you out of the world when there's too much recorded data. To fix that, you need to increase maximum packet size in McLib's vanilla tweaks category. Just add 4 to 7 zeros at the end. In order to use this new feature, you need Minema installed first. See the tutorial in the top right corner on how to do that. Inside of Aperture, there's a new panel called the Minema Recording Panel. Here is where you can record your entire camera setup without exiting the camera editor. There are 3 modes: Entire Camera Profile, Selected Fixture, and Custom Selection. The first option records everything inside of your camera profile. The second option records only the fixture you've selected. and the third option records between the frames you've inputted. Each mode can be very helpful depending on the scene you're recording. A lot of keybinds were added in this update, and we're going to go over a couple of them. If you'd like to see the full list of Aperture keybinds, go into the menu and press F9. Control plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 create a fixture down this list. Idle, circular, path, keyframe, null, and manual. Control plus P toggles previous in the null fixture. Control plus R starts the recording in manual fixtures. Inside the path fixture, Control plus D toggles per point duration. Shift plus E toggles velocity control. Control plus P toggles position interpolation. And Control plus A toggles angle interpolation. You can also use Control plus Shift plus P or A to scroll backwards through the interpolation list. This will also apply to the next and last keybinds. Control plus open bracket toggles interpolation, and Control plus closed bracket toggles easing. Both are used with the currently selected point in graph or dope sheet elements. Finally, a bunch of tooltips were added to help you understand different features inside of Aperture and what they're used for. Well, that's pretty much it. I hope this changelog was insightful and taught you the new features in this update. In the description is McHorse's Discord if you have any questions, and his Patreon if you'd like to support him. Also, make sure to check out this playlist on the top right about new features and changes added in this big mods update. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and goodbye!